Yee Redneck Superman here. I was sitting here and noticed today's temperature right here, 110 degrees outside, in the Florida Sunshine State. So I've been working on this new thing for my Shopify store. These items, I used to do this on eBay a lot, but eBay went to crap because of how they do business. This is my Paracord organizer caddy hanger, and you don't have to use it just for these are for face masks, hanging face masks in the sunlight, so they're not sticking in your pocket, they're not in the bottom of your pocketbook. How many times have we going through looking through for a mask and stuff that we need, and digging through pockets, can't remember where you put it? Well, you just hang this in your car, and UV rays help kill germs, proven fact. Heat kills germs, and your masks are safe right here the whole time. It's a regular Cobra stitch, I think is what you call that. Can't remember, but it just goes through like a zipper pull. You know, it's got a loop on up here. It's got a loop on the end up there. It loops around, and you just pull this through and let it hang. I want to make them a little bit shorter than this. I want them to hang up more like toward, so you get more sunlight, you know. So Shopify, Mercari, what other shops do I got? The Top Hatter, the Wish app that I've been working on, putting some of these products up. I used to do this on eBay all the time and selling belts, slings for different things. And you can also take this in the house, and you don't have to just use it in your car. It could be a shower caddy. You can place to hang up your sponges in the shower off the shower curtain rod, or spoofies, whatever them things are called, that they call them. You put them on the back of the headrest of the car here, and it's not, you can use it for, it's a multi-use item. This is not a unitasker here. I try not to create unitaskers. I use the highest quality carabines I can get right there. It's military grade, 550 paracord. This is a great item. This is one of the first ones I make is pink, because I had a lot of pink, because I have some breast cancer awareness keychains that are coming up. Y'all keep an eye out for those. Hit the like button for those, and those are great little items that I have on up on some of my shops at this very moment. But this is a great little caddy organizer for your car, to keep your masks all hung up right there, and just grab them and go, you know, because you're tired of digging through them and losing them. I'm always losing my stuff, and when it's right in front of your eye and it's sitting here and being, I'm not going to say 100% sterilized, but I mean, it's gonna help. It doesn't do nothing in your pocket. It doesn't do nothing at the bottom of your purse. It's just the worst thing in the world. That's why I hate this whole mask policy, because people are just taking them off, throwing them in their pocket, and going home, and cross-contamination, no sterilization techniques, and keep using the same mask over and over. Cross-contamination is making the problem worse, not better. But yeah, this is just one of the paracord items I've been working on for a minute, and finally got a few of them done. Get a few more, and I'm looking to do some grab handles for Jeeps, but I don't know the circumference of, or the diameter of the roll bars on the driver and passenger side. I've been trying to find that info, and that's tough. But yeah, eBay used to do great with these type of items, but that's showing off what I was doing. You know, just make life easier. And it's a multi-purpose item you can use anywhere. Well, America's greatest country on earth. Y'all have a good one.